Yeah, it's 6S.
It's just unbelievable. It really is. It's fucking jet.
I don't even have the thrust vector on right now.
It just takes off too easy out of your hand. With no, like, yeah.
Yeah, it's still doing that wing thing.
Really?
Yeah, see, I'm not touching it. I go, yeah, it's just fucking weird.
See how much a little bit really rolls it?
It does. It really does. It's hard to control it like that because I don't know if it goes back on me. Like sometimes when it's far away, it's hard to see it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn the thrust vector on. It's on.
I can't believe how much that airplane came since the very first one I printed. Like, it's so much better now.
Let's see if I can try to high up it like I do the other one. It's much more powerful than the other one.
Yeah. 64 3F to, what is that, 76?
Yeah, yep.
Yeah.
See, that one will actually go up. My other one won't do that.
Really?
Like when it's pointing up like that, it won't actually go upward. It doesn't have enough power.
Well, that sounds so cool.
I keep forgetting I have fucking rudder.
All the difference in the world. I can never believe all these years I've been flying, I finally appreciated rudder.
There's the rudder.
That's why I want to turn safely.
Yeah, because you can't do that. I think I need more throw in it in the nozzle because that's full rudder to the left.
Is it?
Yep.
It's pretty tight yet, though.
Actually, you know what? I can put higher rates on. Let's try that. I got my high rates on.
Whoa.
Yep.
Okay. Damn.
Luckily, I can do that. It's stalled out there.
Yeah.
I'm out of time here. Actually, I probably got more time. I'm out of time. I'm gonna bring it in.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna go the other way and bring it in.
Runway B. Good job.